everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a while since I did a sit-down video, but today we're gonna be crafty. I got my crafty table out here, and we're gonna be trying something I've never done before, but it looks like really a lot of fun. We're gonna be pouring paint. I saw this, I think on TikTok, probably, where they did the pour paint art thing over a pumpkin. I might be a little late to the party for Halloween, but I think I'm going to use this as a centerpiece for Thanksgiving, so it still works. Pumpkins are for fall, just in general fall, not just Halloween, but fall in general. So I have purchased me a pumpkin from Walmart. I actually did buy this before Halloween because I did plan on doing this for Halloween, but things happen. But anyway, so I have this like foamy, plasticky, pumpkin-y thing. I have got a jar to put my pumpkin on top of, like so. And then I got a canvas from, I think I got this from Dollar Tree. Let's open that up. I've never painted on canvas at all. This will be my first time doing any kind of canvas painting. And I say this every time I do anything. I don't know what I'm doing. But that's the fun of it, right? We don't know what we're doing. So I got this. It was $3 at Dollar Tree, which kind of seems kind of funny because it's Dollar Tree. This is $3. But not everything's $1 anymore at Dollar Tree. Everything is, I think it's $1.25 anymore. I don't think there's anything really for $1 anymore. And then I got these fall colored ready pour paints from, I think it's Joann's Fabric. I think that's where I got these from. Like I said, it's been a while. And I just got them ready to go pour in like fall colors. So I got white, smoky pink, gold yellow, and Sienna. I don't know. Okay, I had to run and take care of something, but we're back. Anyway, I think I was showing you the different colors of paint that we got. So I'm pretty sure that you're just going to be able to just pour these directly onto the pumpkin. So I think it's pretty straightforward. We're gonna set our pumpkin in the middle of this canvas and we're gonna pour paint on it. So without further ado, let's pour some paint. Okay, so we have our canvas here. I'm gonna put this little jar smack dab in the middle. And I'm gonna put my pumpkin on top of that. Ooh, theoretically, I'm going to put my pumpkin. Oh, no. Okay. All right. I think that'll work. You guys can't see very well. Let's see if we can't fix this. Okay. Ignore my messy bedroom. Actually, you know what? I closed my drawer. My bedroom seems a little better. All right. What color should we start with? Probably white. You think white? I don't know. We're going to start with the white. Hopefully this doesn't fall over. Yeah, I don't. I'm not confident in the fact that this won't fall over, but here we go. Oh boy. All right, we're just going to start with a couple of rows of that color. We'll go with some of this color. Oh, I'm hitting that stem. There we go. Look at that. I'm so excited. It's pouring. Look at that. Oh my gosh. All right, white again. Look at it. Brown. All right, I'm just admitting this is so much fun. I should show you the hand. Look at the pretty drippy puddles. They're so pretty. Look at that one. It's so pretty. I don't know what's happening with the paint on top. It doesn't seem to be running down or anything, but still, look at that. I'm so excited. My camera shut off for some reason, but here we are. It's not like anything's changing. I just keep dumping more paint on it. Oh, it's so fun. Okay, white. Brown. looks like a candy apple is what we got going on here. More white maybe? What do you think? More white? I think more white. Oh my goodness. I don't know how much paint I'm supposed to put on here. Like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. But I'm having fun. So I kind of wonder, should I put the olive in there? I don't know. Brown. Pink. Whoa. Whoops. More brown. More white. What do you think? Should I stop? I don't know if there's enough paint on the, like, down there. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I think it's really cool though. I feel like it's gonna take a lot of paint to because you're supposed to like bend the thing, so a bunch of white here. A bunch of pink. Bunch of brown. Whoops, ooh, that would just ruin my whole day right there. And a bunch of. You think that's enough? I think it's really pretty. I think it's really pretty. I'm kind of bummed that I got it up here though. That kind of sucks. But I think we need more paint. That's what I think. Oh, it looks so good though. No. We'll do one more. Oh, I'm almost out of white anyway. Oh no. Oh no, we're out of white. Oh no. Okay. Alright. Alright, we're out of brown. And we're out of pink. One more. Gold. Oh, I'm on a mission to knock this thing over. Boom. Alright. I feel like I messed up the pumpkin itself, though. That doesn't look very good. Oh, no. Well, yeah, I feel like the pumpkin itself was just now a fail. But the painting might be okay. Yeah, so I feel like I've messed up that pumpkin, and I feel kind of bad about that. It was looking so good. But this might actually be something. I don't know how long I should let this drip. Like, should I let it drip for a while? I don't know. The top is pretty. Should I tip it? Maybe that'll, if I go. Oh my God. Oh, that might have actually saved my pumpkin there. Getting some of that paint to run. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Actually, this pumpkin is turning out kind of pretty. I'm not mad about it. Can I put it back on there without it falling over, though? I feel like that's a hard no. Okay. Crap. Hang on. Okay, I just removed the pumpkin and set it on the floor. Over there. Hopefully it dries. Hours. I have no idea how long it's going to take for that to dry. It's a lot of paint. But here we are in this part. So let me set my camera up and try and capture the glory of whatever this is going to look like. Okay, from this angle, it just sort of looks like vomit, but it's not vomit. All right, I'm going to pull this out. Oh my God, there is so much paint. Oh my God. Okay. So much paint. All right, so I know that you're supposed to now you're supposed to tip it. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. So much paint. Holy crap. Oh my God. Is this okay? I guess this is supposed to happen, right? Oh my holy crap baskets. What am I doing? Holy crap. Is it pretty though? I think it's pretty. Okay. Oh my goodness. I feel like mistakes have been made. Okay. I'm just gonna let it run down this side, I guess. It's actually really pretty. Come on. Get it all the way to the corner. There we go. Okay, now, one more crap corner. I'm gonna get paint on my hands, so that is just what's gonna happen. Come on, run to the corner. I know there's enough paint to do it. Come on. There we go. Come on, you can do it. All right, I'm just gonna set you like, okay, come on. Fill up that corner. Fill up that corner. It's going. It's going. All right, we got it. Okay. All right. I have no idea what to do now. Okay. Oh my god. I feel like I need to just lay it down someplace and let it dry, right? Maybe just like on my... Here we go. Okay. What a mess. What a mess I have made here. But there. Right? Okay. Whew. All right. Let me clean up. Okay. I think it's really cool. It's definitely more pink. It doesn't really scream fall, but I think it's really pretty. Like I said, I have no idea how long it's going to take. Let me turn my flash on. Does that help? How long it's going to take to dry. But I think it's really pretty. That was super fun. So I'm going to let that dry, and we'll come back and see how it went. But I like it. I think it's cute. That was really fun. So anyway, yeah, I'll be back when it's dry in like a week. And our finished product a few days later, after letting... That window is driving me crazy. After letting things dry, here is our pumpkin. I think it's pretty. Don't you think it's pretty? It's different on the back. The back is ugly. But we're just going to look at the front. The front is really pretty. I like how this turned out. So this is... Except for this, I don't know. I probably won't do anything with it. But, you know, if I cared, I would probably paint that over the crappy paint that I put. But I think that turned out really neat. Look at that. That's really cool. And then the important piece. And the painting. Look at that. It's pretty cool. I thought that was really fun and easy. I'm not an artist, but this is my first canvas painting, so I feel like I'm an artist. I'm an artist now. This is my art. But I think it's really pretty. Don't you think? I think it's really pretty. It's very unique. You'll never get another one like this one. I think it's really pretty. So, yeah. So we had a helper in the design of this art piece. Can you see it? Can you see what it was? It was a bug. A bug landed over there and went woo through all the wet paint and ended up dead over here. So that added a little flair to our canvas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching that. It was really fun. I really enjoyed doing that. It was fun. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great day.